Hi, what's going on?
Be on the property, she knows this.
Okay.
So she wants a no trespassing.
Wait, hold on, time out. Stop. Does she have no trespassing right now?
No, there's no loitering. So there was 4 of them back here, 3 of them left. She didn't want to leave.
I just, like, is it a law to not do?
This is private property.
It's private, okay.
Right, so you can leave now, or they could do a no trespassing. So if they see you here, you get arrested.
Okay.
So it's up to you what you want to do right now. Do you want to leave, or?
Am I getting a no trespassing?
She wants a no trespassing.
No, so hold on. So hold time out. Why do you want one?
Well, listen, I didn't say I wanted one.
Okay, so do you want one?
So I'm asking you, next time that I come and I'm sitting on this property, right? Because for whatever reason, sometimes I sit here. So listen, if I'm sitting here next time, am I going to get arrested?
No, but.
Okay, so then.
But they can ask you, can you please leave? And then they could choose right now to no trespass you right now.
Okay, that's their choice.
But
I'll walk away.
Right, that's what I'm saying. Do you want to work with them, or do you?
I'm probably going to come back later because I chill here sometimes.
But then they have every right.
Yeah, I'm probably going to chill here. I'm not going to, like.
We don't want to
anywhere else to chill.
We just want you to leave.
Or go.
We don't want
She's talking herself into no trespassing.
What?
She's talking herself into no trespassing right now. So
not leaving?
let me know.
they don't want to do one. They just want her off the property.
All right, so, all right.
That's all they.
We're not trying to get her in trouble. We actually just want her.
That's what I appreciate. That's what I'm trying to work with you. This is a private property.
Am I violating a law right now by standing here?
Yeah.
How so?
So this is would you say this is a private property, right?
I'm
in
not
this
sure.
area.
I'm not sure if
It's
this
a,
is.
I'm telling
Please
you.
stop yelling.
It's a
He's not
private
yelling.
property,
All right,
right?
let's just.
So we could be civil. They ask you to leave. Just go somewhere else. Or we could go to the no trespassing
Is this the
route,
first time?
and then you most likely
No.
spend
So-
the night in jail.
Right now, am I violating the law by standing
Yes,
here?
you are.
Which law?
So they ask you to leave the property.
So is that the law? Which
Yeah.
law?
I don't want
Which law is that?
Trespassing.
So right now I'm trespassing.
Yes.
Correct.
Do I have the no trespassing order already?
They can put it on you right now. So,
right
they're
now,
trying to
I don't.
avoid you
So
getting
right
in
now,
trouble.
I'm not breaking the law.
Yeah, but
correct.
let's say when
So-
we do have one.
Yep, then I
we
will
ask
walk
you to
away.
leave.
You guys are gonna have.
It's not really on you guys. It's on them.
Do you guys want to do that?
We
She won't
want
leave.
to avoid all of this.
Yes.
So
Okay.
come back here,
Whatever you
right?
guys want to do.
She wanted. They were perfectly fine with you going
So you guys are putting the no trespassing
because you're not leaving. They're trying to be nice.
Can I please have a copy of that paper?
Yeah.
I'll walk to the station and with you.
Wait, but why are you do? Like you don't even have to do this.
She doesn't
I don't
have
even-
That's what I'm saying. She literally could just
Okay.
cross the street and it's
I don't even care.
Yeah, you can just go.
I think she's on probation, so I don't know what's going on. You got to do it anyway. But I'm gonna.
You got ID on you?
Nope.
No? I'm going to need to grab your name.
Why?
Because you're involved in a call. This is a call for service. I need to know who you are, right? And I'm just going to give you a fair warning. If you give me a wrong name, you'll be arrested for obstruction.
I don't care.
So first name, last name, date of birth.
I'm on probation though. Is this going to violate?
We don't know. We're gonna find out.
Okay.
Are you a
Because the police
violator?
were called over what?
You talked yourself into a no trespassing. So what is your name?
I'm not gonna. What the hell?
What's your name?
I'll meet you at the station where you can serve me with the no trespassing.
Where is no? That doesn't work like that. What is your name?
Does it work?
We need your name.
So you guys are putting the no trespassing.
That's because you're giving me no
Okay,
choice.
just to clarify, after, and I have no problem giving you my name. So after I give you my name, blah, 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 how is the execution of this no trespass order?
We will ask you to leave. If you don't leave, then you get
And
arrested.
if they see you on the premises, they
no trespass.
correct.
It's going to be served to me. And
I'm literally going to hand it to you. If they see you on the property, they call us.
Where do I meet you for this to happen?
Right here.
Okay, so you're gonna go to your car, print it out, and hand it to me after?
Correct. The thing is, they see you on the property, you're getting arrested. Okay. Name, date of birth.
Well, they're doing the no trespass order, right?
We need your name, please.
So they can give you my name.
We need your. This is a law. Like I don't know what's your name.
So you guys want to do the no trespass? Give them my name.
That doesn't work like that.
Asking us your name. They're asking you your name.
What is your name and date of birth? This is like.
Know your name.
I'm running low on patience.
Just tell me your name.
I'm going to ask literally one more
I'll find
time.
my ID.
I don't know why this is.
But why would I identify myself? In order
Put your purse
to
down.
incriminate myself?
Put your purse down.
So why would I?
If you don't ID yourself, you're just going to be
Y'all are
on the
crazy.
jail.
I will
I'm
arrest
not-
you
I'm
if you
not
do
trying
not
to
give your name. You're
I'm not
literally
trying to
obstructing me right now.
I'm not obstructing.
You are. That means you're not. You're
You guys
literally
are
not
making me
listening.
incriminate myself.
We need. I'm asking your name. That is it.
That's
Date of birth.
That's making me
Listen,
incriminate myself.
one more try.
That's it.
Give
So
us
I'm
your
gonna get
ID or
arrested
you.
for not
You need to listen to him.
Will I get
One-
arrested for not incriminating myself right now?
What do you mean? Listen, I'm gonna explain one more. I'm gonna explain this
Why?
one more time to you, right?
Why do I have
This
to?
is a call
Can
for
you please
service.
back up?
No, I'm
Like,
not backing up.
why?
I'm gonna explain this one more time to you, right?
I'll back up then.
You are involved in a call for service. You need to
Okay.
know who you are. If you don't identify yourself, you're gonna be getting arrested for obstruction.
For obstructing what?
We don't.
The call of service?
Yeah, because we don't know who you are, and not knowing who you are, we can do our investigation.
That's not my problem.
It's not your problem.
No, and I'm not
till
gonna
you
make
get
it-
in handcuffs. So I'm giving you one more try. Give us your ID or you don't handcuff.
Can you please just listen to what he said?
Can you please listen to me as well?
No, you're not. No, I know. No,
we-
so,
I'm
not-
turn around. Turn around.
Look at the way that you guys are.
So what? Turn around. We're not. Look. Turn around. Get on the ground.
Now that's a f***ing resistance.
Don't you stop! All right, stop moving. Stop moving! Are you done? Are you done? Done.
This is fucking wrong.
If you kick me one more time,
What are you doing it for?
Watch out.
I'm
Get away.
fucking going. What is wrong with you? Sorry. Stop. I can't breathe.
you're fine. You're not on your
Stop,
neck.
I can't breathe, I can't
Good,
breathe.
good. You're not on your neck. You're fine. Get up. Get up.
What is wrong with you? Now what? Now what are you gonna do?
Down, bring the car around.
One custody.
Now what? Now what? For what? For what? What am I in custody of?
Obstruction of resistance.
What did I obstruct? What did I f***ing obstruct? What did I obstruct? Resisting what? For not giving you my name?
We give you plenty of chance.
That's not a law.
Are you gonna spend the night in jail?
That's literally not a law. What am I spending the night in jail for? Because I didn't give you my name?
Nobody's around to do that.
No, what am I in cuffs for?
It's against the law to search you.
Search me then. Search me. What's up? Go ahead.
Relax.
You relax. Get put in some cuffs for no reason and then tell me to relax. You're fighting with me.
Sit down. Sit. Sit.
Putting your f***ing hands on me.
Sit.
This is not how you fight. This is not how to fight.
Sit.
You sit. You sit.
God, Omar.
You sit.
Well, you don't want to sit.
No,
Get the knife.
you
Get the knife.
sit.
Get the knife.
Sorry. You sit. Get off my chest.
Sit up like a human and sit down.
Treat humans like humans if you want them to act like
She's
humans.
fine.
This is not how you treat people. What if I did this to you? What if I did this to you? What if men should have put their hands on women? And people should have put their hands on people. I did not put my hands on you. You shouldn't be putting your hands on me. You shouldn't be. It's wrong. This is wrong. This is wrong. And if someone puts their hands on you, I don't agree with it making it right to put your hands back on someone. But as far as I'm concerned, you put your hands on me. Look at my wrist. Look. Literally, this hurts, dude. Can you please loosen it a little bit?
No, when we get to the station, we'll take them
Okay,
off.
let's go to the station.
We're not done. No.
What is wrong with you?
Nope.
Look at my wrist. It hurts. Like, look. What the fuck? Dude! Yo, fix my fucking cuff. Fix my fucking cuff.
Station yet.
Fix it.
We're not at the
Fix
station.
it.
We're not at
Fix
the
it. It
station.
hurts.
I'm sorry.
So I'm gonna hurt myself more because
You'll be
of
fine.
this?
You're fine.
You're doing this. It hurts.
You're fine.
Fix it.
Nope.
I'm not fun.
Don't you fucking get up. Get up.
Sit back down.
No, don't touch me. Fix my cuff. You're gonna touch me.
You're gonna sit
Fix
down.
my fucking cuff.
No.
Fix it. It fucking hurts.
Just let her.
Stop! What is wrong with you? Literally, what the fuck? Fix it! Are you tightening the other one out there?
Come back, active negative.
No, this one needs to be fixed.
You're fine. I just moved it. You're fine. I moved it. Look, you fix it at the station. We're not doing it now. No.
Just go get the car.
Hey, you just tried to fix this one.
We're going. I'll put the car over here.
Let's go. Like,
You're not going anywhere. This is ridiculous. My car. Can you just have no one go over there, please? Thank you.
Just confirm you guys are all set. We have an innocent civilian calling stating that you guys might need assistance because there was a disturbance.
I'm ringing my cruiser around, and I will have one in custody in my cruiser.
Stand by.
Got my cruiser. Yep, let's go.
can someone follow the fucking car? Because at this rate, I'm nervous.
Thank you. Thank you.
Like, why are you smiling? Are you just so happy? Doing your job? Oh, you're getting paid for this shit.
I don't get paid enough for you.
I don't get paid enough for you either.
You don't get paid probably anything.
So fucking funny.
You literally talked
You don't
yourself
know me.
into this.
Girl,
The other
you don't know
side.
me.
The other side.
Ow! Fix my fucking cover. I'm not getting in the car. Fix my cover. I'm not getting in the car.
Oh, we'll get you in the car.
Fix my cover.
We'll get you in the car.
No.
More you move.
Fix my cuff.
No.
I'm not going in the fucking car. Fix my fucking cuff.
We're going to the station right
Fix
now.
my cuff. Fix my cuff. Fix it. Fix it. Fix my fucking cuff.
The Jose guy, he can also get a no trespassing.
We'll have another cruiser come and do that. I have to get her.
Okay, I figured, but I just wanted to, like, I'm so sorry. I did not want to be out.
She talks herself into this. Elmer and I can handle her. She's just very, very uncooperative and is not afraid to be squirrely or like hit us. I'm about to go on my cruiser and she's screaming in the back.
I'm gonna call an ambulance. My wrist hurts. It's really fucking bad. Like, I need an ambulance.
She's trying to clean the hospital right now.
Yeah, I do. I need it.
Yes, sir. I'll be there right now. I'm gonna go over there.
Cut my hand. I really don't know. Can I get an ambulance, please? He's bleeding for it.
In addition to being trespassed from the property, this suspect, Haley, was charged with prohibited possession of a weapon other than a firearm, which was discovered in her purse, disorderly conduct, obstructing, and resisting. She pleaded no contest to the charges of prohibited possession of a weapon other than a firearm and resisting, while the disorderly conduct and obstructing charges were dismissed. She was ultimately sentenced to 15 days in jail and 350 days of probation.
Her shirt said, "Chase your dreams, not approval." Nice slogan until she started chasing her pride, which turned into catching a charge. I've seen this many times on the street, but I don't think someone wakes up thinking, you know what, today I'm going to fulfill my lifelong dream of getting arrested and riding in the back of a police car. It starts small, right? A request, a simple out. A person can walk away with their dignity intact, but ego has to win. You can hear it in her voice, not fear, not confusion, commitment. Commitment to being right and commitment to not backing down. Every time the officer gives her another chance, she doesn't see an opportunity, she sees a challenge. That's the trap, though, because some people would rather win an argument than win their freedom. And once pride grabs the wheel in these situations, logic gets thrown out the window. Now it's not about leaving anymore. It's about proving something to the cops, to strangers, to herself. And this is how minor disagreements turn into handcuffs, paperwork, and a record that lasts way longer than the actual moment had to. That's life, though, because big consequences don't always come from big crimes. Sometimes it comes from small moments where we just refuse to realize we're not the ones in control.